Candy, boy, I tell you, so today was such a hard day. So I feel I drink coffee to revive myself because, yo, too much energy used up there, but I still have my energy for you, man. Don't worry yourself. Everything go alright for later on. You know what I mean?
That's so you go on, man. Always tell me about later. And you save up energy for me. Save up energy for me? Every time you tell me say I save up energy for me, by later, me lie down in the bed, not even 2 minutes, you drop asleep. I don't understand how I go on.
Babe, remember this now. We are living in the human race. So who first come, when. You understand? Yeah. Not time for half an hour, 45 minutes. That I when at 13, left that today. The young shooters out there, you know, the shotters, aka shotters, you know what I mean? A long time we do it thing, you know what I mean? Enjoy it too. And you better glad to me come quicker, some people can't come none at all. You know what I mean?
You say energy, you know? I never me. I don't say nothing about no energy. Babes, you know say a time for we step up with the family thing there.
Family thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my family, I don't understand what you're talking about. Explain more. I'm going to get what you say.
I want baby now.
What you say? Baby? I'm a rock stone.
And you are all out. Time for you give me one baby now, man. I don't understand. How I go on?
In that demo time, yeah. That's a whole long business right now, yeah? If me want to pick them, I invest so much in you, look how much condom over top there, so. You see it? Condom and all these things, and the accoutrements and the birth controls and all these trolls and all these things. No, man. No, right now. Alright, you are going. I'm not going to break your hopes because I understand you have, you know, you have your intentions, you have your dreams. But guess what happened now? No. Give me 10 more years.
10 more years? I don't understand. How am I going to wait 10 more years? I don't even know if 10 more years from this me still can have one pitney. And what I go on with you? Something wrong with you and you won't tell me? You keep secret from me? You need to let me know. Because if something wrong with you, maybe carry on.
What? Something wrong with me? You can't look on me? Hey, mama, when me turn up, you know. You know what I mean? When me step in. When me spit out. You never know how you go. And me run things. You know what I mean? But guess what now? I am trying to let you understand that. I'm not ready for that right now. Because we need to fly out. We need to you know what I mean? Instead of you try to find who we gonna left Jim Brown or who say whatever you gonna call the baby name to or with. We can use a money that enjoy ourselves a little bit. Alright. Since at 10 you have a problem with 8 more years. See? And then we can
alright, kid. Rain and come down. Can you take up the clothes then?
Yeah, man. Rain and fall. Of course we take up the clothes them. The clothes them take up. You know what I mean? Alright, look on it now. If baby when they are right now, you feel so we can they are cool out and watch the rain? Eh? Just think about that. Right now, I'm not telling you I don't want to run, you know. And nobody feels something happen to me because everybody I work properly. You understand? So understand this, it's not just about that, it's about
babe. No miss why problem. You feel say if we have one child together, you're not gonna explore no more. You're not gonna enjoy yourself, you can't go nowhere, you can't this, you can't that. Nothing go so. Because we can enjoy ourselves watching the child grow up together. It's nice when you watch a picnic grow up, you know. You teach them right from wrong and make them know the truth from wrong things. You understand? Yeah. So I don't understand how you want just hear so.
Argument done, you know, lack of that sound that can play so. See? Because me there so now and me just want me to just enjoy the moment. And at that you bring come naga. What the fuck? You are going. Me have a cool out run so you know. So go on do your thing, yeah? Because I can't understand what I'm cool out over here saying. You want to come more here?
What you idiot? Go on out in the rain.
Alright.
When you're sick, make sure you say not come in with no flu and contaminate me because I'm doing business with you.
And that you say? You're right.
Lucky. That's why I don't forget picnic when you're not sick and then big then can help you know. Look on you too. Now wait for you.
So I don't know what to say. Go down the so we're there for go buy a pound of flour in one shop. Everything raised up, you know, mommy?
Yeah, man. Everything raised up. Sometimes I go down there to buy me one left and come home here. You go to buy 2 items and the price what you get. Me so give up shop still, you know. You can't go in it too long. Cause it's like me hungry, I throw one partner. I say, see the money you put in, you take out the back same way. You rough me, boss. So if you can't manage it,
true, no, mommy. Well, you know, say you can't give up the shop still. That's all them things they run, you see me?
Can't give up.
Every dollar counts still, you know?
Can't give up. Really. Glad me have not support me still. Give thanks, you hear?
Well, yes, man. Sometimes you give me something though.
I'm going to give me heart. What you say?
Yeah, man.
Thing good. Navi, service.
Yeah.
Service always up round here, say, you know?
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, yeah, me. Yeah, give me one Pepsi, me say to my stomach, you answer, cause...
No, so cold and what you can't drink.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. Them a thing with you. You can't deal with the icy sitting, you know.
So I'll go on,
Yeah,
you know.
me.
Long time I don't see you in that place, you know. Where you deal with?
I'm there easy, no, brother. Just have to take a stroll and beat a one Pepsi second my stomach, you know what I mean? Cause I'm there raised with mama a while ago. She talk about picnic them in a dinner time. You know what I mean? Cause, alright, Navi, I have Pepsi now. The Pepsi price now raised from last month.
Yeah, man. Price then raise up, man. But then should have dare still, you know. But I try to support me all along, you know.
Everything that raised, brother. And then she gonna talk about picnic in a dinner days.
I understand what you're saying now. But you can't watch that, you see me? Cause the youth them have to come. You see me? You get no youth yet?
No, sir, I'm not getting no youth yet. But yo, brother, I run down things. Yo, me a young brother, you know. You know what I mean? Me not run that down. That will come, man. Time did it for that. You know what I mean? Right now, I just want to enjoy myself and, you know what I mean? Just see what life has.
Yeah, I understand. Well, some always say we're way upon time, you know, brother, and when the time run out now, we all still start to look around some people with all them family. Feel all the way, you see me? You know, I gonna need a youth them to come take care of you. You know them ready?
Yeah, man, that's something I want, you know what I mean? That's something I can deal with things, cause, yo, time now wait for no man still, you know. But at the end of the day, I still have to, hold on, I still have to deal with that. Hold on. Yeah, Richie? Yo. Me there, man, me there. Where you there? Alright, good. Here what you do for me? Me have one line bill when I want pay. Yeah man, just pay for me. And when me see you, me just give it. Oh yeah man, I can deal with you, man. Yeah man, I can start it out. Don't worry yourself. How much? Alright, me pay bill, man, don't worry. Alright, bless myself, man. Cool. Right. Yeah. General, here we go on there now. You have to cut out, you know. See? So bless myself. Yes, sir. Yo, a long time in the see you. What you doing here, sir?
What you mean? Alright, up this summer live. Me live up this for around 5 years now.
Yeah? What you say? Up the road there, sir? That means you have to do some catch-up, you know. But all your time stay during the day. Like, you know, you're free, you know, what time? What time you free?
You know, say though, I work from home. So during the week, I'm busy, but on the weekend, I'm free. But you not have a girlfriend?
No, I never have a girlfriend. I never have a girlfriend, man. So wait a second, weekend you're free, we can link up, cause next weekend will be perfect for me.
Yeah man, I'm supposed to free next weekend, you know. Next weekend can work.
Alright, here we go. You see, next weekend, 7 p.m, Rex Cafe. Oh, that's all.
Yeah man, no problem, you know, so I look forward to it.
Alright, you see, that sounds like a date. I'm gonna just make you put your number in this phone, yeah? You know what I mean?
Alright.
And then link up. You're not gonna start, you know yourself. Just have to take my time. So, care? Link up, here.
Alright.
So, upload it, say that?
Yeah, upload it.
So, later we talk, here?
Alright.
Girl, ain't gone no long. All me talk to him about is that we need a child. And he start kick up in antics and gone in mad self out in Ghana road. So he gone, me no business with him. Make him go and he should have wait up in the rain and catch cold. Make him come back and say nothing to me. I'm lucky.
The man right for you. You know see your time hard. Where do baby in them time? Yeah? Or if him no one breed you, go back one next one breed you.
You know saying I make no sense sometimes we say something to some kind of people we take for a friend. I can't believe say you just said that to me. Really? Girl, so you don't want to pick me?
Of course I want pick me. But me wait until my financially stable me breed. I'm for breed now. I'm a broke. Me can't find food now.
It come like you have some problem or something, you know. You know what? I come get up and go on my yard. Sorry, me did come over here.
What can be?
Maybe I'm man, you good?
Yeah, man.
Man, I just left me a little, you know. Are you link, yeah?
How go on, babe? You know, say, Candy man just over shop. I thought about she pressure him for baby and them something.
You know what I say? I said things she over here so that she come and talk say. Me no business with her. It look like she don't realize how things are run out time hard.
Jano star, you know, so I'm not even feel for going to my yard tonight, yeah. Can't take the vibes down on the yard, you know. Sure, that's what I'm going to say. The man trying to save your skirt, yeah, alright?
Hello?
No, I'm not calling too fast, you know.
No, you're not coming too fast. Uh-huh. Oh, you want to come over? Alright, you can come, man. Yeah, me there lonely too.
You feel the same way? My God, alright, here we go. I don't know if I can pass through, because I'm up on the road, I don't really, you know, I don't know what to do, but if you just come check you. That the mood I'm in right now. Come? Alright. What color house?
I want white house. Yeah, I want a grill paint white too. It's not hard to find, man. You can't find it. Alright, man, we'll pay you.
Alright. I found right now here. Right now. Alright, babe. Cool. Yeah, come. Alright.
Come like this, man, and now come in yard. How about this, man? How make this man and I want a baby now? I wonder what I could have do to change his mind. No, man, it might take long to come. I go call him.
General. How go on, man? I have no condom.
No, I say I don't say none of there I know my father.
None of there.
None of there my father.
Alright, you know what? Respect my manners. Yes, sir.
That's alright.
You know, it's a long time ago. Alright. Alright, nothing wrong if you take a one chance, you know. Long time ago.
I'm coming. Hi.
Miss you.
over again because I have something extra special for you.
I see the paper phone, I didn't even realize I'm concerned. I said even far for me. Anyways, you think me not see the man who come out to your house this morning? Tell me what go on, because I know you not have no man. Where you get man from? Talk up.
I saw you watch out my business. Make you see man come over my yard. Girl, I want to look a friend for a long time. And come over there already just busy at talk because a long time I not seen where Ketchup and thing.
Virgin Mary had a baby boy. You think me born yesterday? I know say una there in there do things. Una did there in there do things. You think me born big like so not true?
Alright, me I go tell you what go on. You see? I'm look a friend and me did the last night and me just lonely and bored and he call me and say him come over. Me just say, alright, come over. And he come and greet him at the door and thing. And we did there and him touch me and I get excited and I just split the pineapple and make him put the banana in there. Girl, me not tell a lie. It's nice. Girl, you know have it in a waist alone, you have it in a face too.
Yes, girl, you're born. So girl, I feel man or what? I need to know, you know. Because if I feel personal man, when I see him on the road with a girl, I have to go say something. But if I don't hear man and I see him on the road with a girl, I know say I have to squat my leg up ass and go one side. I hear man or what?
Girl, to be honest, I don't know where we stand yet because we never see each other for a long while and we just see each other. Oh, and yesterday, and we just decided to link up and thing. But me here saying I'm a girlfriend still. But me just go on and see where things go.
Alright, you can't go down anyways. I like mix up my come here because you know I'm ever done in a year business.
Alright, my girl, text me when I reach done. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, yes, my people, they are back a yard. What? Oh, no clock, sorry. One thing I'm gonna in the name of Jesus, please. You see this channel? Me I tell you, this channel, a whole heap of content I got to put it right away. Just subscribe. Look down below. You see, if the color red not change it to grey for me, please. That's all me I beg you. Please, and share it. If you know how to watch, just share it, subscribe and leave it. Please, but watch. Cause you're not gonna miss the threesome if you know watch. Big threesome. Yeah, hurry up, go get some now.